We have arrived. We've made it to our destination. What are we doing tonight? Tonight we're just gonna have a chill vibe. We're gonna eat seafood from Publix and just chill out. Yeah, tonight is the chill night. We've arrived. We're gonna eat seafood and just vibe out. My skin is just not, it's not doing what I need for it to do, but it's fine. This is dinner for the night. Crab from Publix. Heating up butter. Butter for the crab.
Gourmet butter.
It is day 2, Saturday. Gonna do some shopping. Right now we're at Millenia, so we're gonna go in here, see what we can find, just shop around. First time at IKEA. Excited about it. And we'll just see what I can find. I know I want a filming table. So I'm gonna try to find one of those in white and just shop around.
She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressing a kid with it. But you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Guns on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad. It's a look, yeah. Shawty, you better know it. I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if that's fun with you. Baby, I'm just trying to spend time with you.